Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Daleville local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a cheap Daleville moving company is necessary when it's time to relocate. 3 Movers is an affordable and high-quality moving option. We provide the right local and long-distance moving options to make it easier for you. Our team works with all kinds of clients, including business owners, homeowners, renters, students, and veterans. We have the right long-distance moving options to give you the help you need, including packing services. Let our team do the packing for you and the unpacking when your things arrive at the new location. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies are the best you will find to keep all your things fully protected. An on-time move. We schedule a time with you and show up at that time ready to make moving day simple. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us gives you the transparent pricing you need to set a proper moving budget. Licensed and insured. Your things are completely protected when you work with our movers. Are you relocating 100 miles away or further? If so, we have the right help for your specific needs. It's a big move when you uproot your life. Let our movers make the actual moving portion less stressful. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Daleville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.